Niki Live Agent Registration. If you want to work as a Niki Live Agent and build a network inside the app, this video explains the most important things you should know before getting started. We will explain how to begin the registration process, what information you need, how the agent menu works, and how commissions are calculated based on your team's weekly performance. We will also review the main rules for keeping your Niki Live Agent account active. The agent registration link and the link to the complete original guide on which this video is based are available in the description of this video. How being a Niki Live Agent works. Being a Niki Live Agent allows you to manage a network made up of hosts and other agents. From the app, you can add hosts, invite agents, review your network's activity, check weekly performance, and see your commission percentage. The main idea is to build an active network and monitor it from the Niki Live Agent menu. Online registration. You can begin the process through the agent form. In app management, you can review hosts, invited agents, activity, and commissions. 2 ways to grow. You can invite both hosts and new agents. Performance-based commissions. Your percentage depends on the weekly level reached by your network. Manage everything from your phone. Registration and management are completed through the app. Registration requirements. Before you begin, make sure you have an active Niki Live account and access to the app on your phone. To complete the registration, you will need the following: a mobile phone with Niki Live installed, an internet connection, an active Niki Live account, your user ID, access to the app's official messages so you can receive the verification code. How to register as an agent. Agent registration is completed through the Niki Live invitation form. The process consists of entering your user ID, requesting the verification code inside the app, and submitting the form. 1. Open Niki Live and go to your profile. 2. Copy your account ID. 3. Open the agent registration form. 4. Paste your ID into the correct field. 5. Press send to request the verification code. 6. Look for the code in your official messages inside the app. And 7. Enter the code and press submit. After you submit the form, your account is enabled as an agent and you can manage your network from the app. Agent menu in the app. After activating your account as an agent, open your Niki Live profile. In the May section, tap the agency option. Although the interface displays the word agency, this is the option that opens the agent menu. From this menu, you can review information such as hosts linked to your network, invited agents, income and weekly performance, your current commission percentage, the progress needed to reach the next level. Hosts and invited agents. As a Niki Live agent, you can grow your network by inviting hosts and other agents. Hosts generate activity on the platform. Invited agents can help you expand your team and add more hosts to the network. The activity generated by linked hosts and agents may affect the weekly performance used to calculate your commission level. To learn more about this part, visit our website using the links in the description of this video. There you will find the guide for adding hosts and the guide for inviting agents on Niki Live. Agent commissions. As a Niki Live agent, you can earn commissions based on your network's performance. Unlike other systems that review longer periods, Niki Live evaluates performance every week and assigns a level based on the activity generated by your hosts and invited agents. Levels and commissions. Level D, 4% commission, with fewer than 500,000 gold beans. Level C, 7% commission, from 500,000 to 2 million gold beans. Level B, 11% commission, from 2 million to 11 million gold beans. Level A, 14% commission, from 11 million to 30 million gold beans. Level S, 18% commission, from 30 million to 75 million gold beans. Level SS, 20% commission, with 75 million gold beans or more. The higher your network's weekly performance, the higher your commission percentage may be. Performance may include activity and income related to gifts, games, voice chat, and video chat. Special tasks or rewards may not count toward the commission calculation. Commissions are sent to the main agent's wallet and can be withdrawn from the app. Note: always check the agent menu and Niki Live's official messages to confirm your level, percentage, and available balance. Rules for agents. To keep your Niki Live agent account active, You must follow up with the hosts in your network, meet the minimum activity requirements, and follow the platform's rules. These are some important rules you should keep in mind. Keep hosts active. Your network must maintain at least 5 active hosts. Weekly activity. An active host must stream for more than 6 hours per week. Minimum performance. During the last 4 weeks, the highest weekly commission must not be lower than 50,000 gold beans. Improvement notices. If your network does not meet the requirements, the platform may send reminders before applying changes. Avoid violations. Fraud, spam, illegal content, or repeated violations may affect your agent account. Protect your network. If an agent's network is closed, hosts may become independent or join another agent's network. Note: the rules may be updated inside Niki Live. Always review the app's notices and official messages. Frequently asked questions. How do I register as a Niki Live agent? Open the agent form, enter your user ID, request the verification code, and press submit to activate your account as an agent. Where can I find my user ID? Your ID appears inside your profile in the Niki Live app. Copy that number and use it in the registration form. Where will I receive the verification code? After pressing send, look for the code in your official messages inside the app. Is agent management handled through a web dashboard? No, Niki Live agent management is handled through the app by opening the agency option inside your profile. Can I invite hosts and other agents? Yes, as an agent, you can link hosts to your network and invite new agents to expand your team. How much does a Niki Live agent earn? Commissions range from 4% to 20%, depending on the weekly level and the performance generated by your network. Where do I receive my commissions? Commissions are sent to the main agent's wallet inside the app. From there, you can review your balance and request an available withdrawal. To finish, the registration link is in the description of this video. The link to the complete original guide is also in the description of this video. Before submitting the form, check your user ID, confirm that you can receive the code in your official messages, and review the current conditions inside Niki Live. If this explanation helped you, subscribe to the channel. Here you will find more guides about Niki Live, agent registration, hosts, invited agents, commissions, withdrawals, and tools that can help you manage your network more effectively inside the app.